Hi, I'm Jim Kelleher with the Aurora Sewing Center. Today I'm going to tell you a little bit about a new program we're unfolding, and it's called the Full Bobbin Program. It's a bumper to bumper, if you will, or bobbin to bobbin coverage of your machine. So it's going to cover tune-ups for 4 years. That's going to cover parts and labor if any repairs are needed in addition to the tune-ups. One of the main benefits is it's going to scoot you right to the front of the line. I think we can all like that. As well as even if a minor repair comes in, we're going to take it to the front of the line and try to get it back into your hands as soon as possible. As well as when you go home, your bobbin will always be full, just as the program indicates.